Welcome to our 2024 housing market prediction. In order to get ready for this video, I've gone over the data provided by California Association of Realtors, National Association of Realtors, places that do research with the market condition and projections like Buffini & Company, Realtor.com, Zillows, and other sources that provide such data. And I've kind of mixed all these information, added my own observation experience in the field today and my past 25 years experience to bring you this information with the hope that it would help in making decisions in the coming year. Before we start, let me go over a quick overview of what happened in 2023. By December of 2023, the average dollar per square foot for City of Irvine was at $787. That's about 17.5% higher than what it was in previous year, December of 2022. That's understandable because in 2022, we got series of rate hikes that affected the price. So the prices start going down from June, July, all the way to December. But when I compare this price with the peak price in May of 2022, that was at $740, we were still 6.5% higher December of 2023 compared to peak of 2022. We ended the year with the lowest inventory of homes for sale since 2008, 2007 even. And the demand was the lowest compared to the previous 3 years. That was a quick overview. Now, let's get into it and let's see what we should expect in 2024. Two elements come to everybody's mind: inflation and interest rate, and how they're going to affect the market. Inflation rate was at 9 by the third quarter of 2022, and it started going down, and by the end of last year we were at 3.2% inflation rate. Let's look at the interest rate. In the past 40 years, every time the Fed raised the rate multiple times in a year, they followed it by the same number or the same pattern, reducing the rate afterward to get the economy boosted up. The bond market has already predicted this, and that's why we're seeing easing on the interest rate and the mortgage rates in the market. Came down from 8%, now we are in the lower 7%. By the end of 2024, is the interest rate expected to hit at 6% to 5.75%. Freddie Mac, who is a buyer of the mortgages, has predicted that the interest rates will be about 5.75% by the end of 2024 and about 5% in 2025. So interest rate is expected to go lower. As interest rate goes lower, the demand is going to go higher. New home builders have experimented with this and have seen once they buy down the interest rate to 6%, they get flooded buyers. So once we hit interest rate below 6.5%, we should expect that we're going to see multiple offers and bidding wars starting again. Home values are expected to go higher depending on when we're going to get the rate cuts and how many times and how fast the rate cuts are going to come. The home values are expected to go up somewhere between 3 to 7% by the end of 2024. Bottom line, if you are a buyer, don't wait for the market to slow down to be able to negotiate. That is not the answer. As the old saying goes, you don't wait to buy real estate, you buy real estate and wait. And for those of you who are thinking of selling, you might want to take advantage of the hotter market between now and the summertime and price your home based on the comps or as close to the comps as you can. I wish you all a prosperous 2024.